Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 16. Reporting wrong charges.
What can I do for you today?
I have an issue.
What is your problem?
There were charges on my debit card that I never made.
Do you have a statement for your debit card?
I do.
Which charges are you talking about?
It's the last 4 charges.
We're going to have to do an investigation.
Is that going to take long?
I'm not sure, but in the meantime we will freeze these charges.
That's wonderful. Thank you.
How may I help you?
I'm having a problem.
What problem are you having?
There have been charges made on my debit card that I didn't make.
Do you have the statement for your card?
Here it is.
What are the charges you're referring to?
The last 4 charges on the page.
I'm afraid we're going to have to investigate these charges.
How long will an investigation take?
I honestly don't know, but we will freeze payment on these charges.
That sounds absolutely fantastic.
May I help you?
I have a problem.
What's the problem?
Someone else is making charges on my debit card.
I need to see a statement for your debit card.
I have it right here.
Can you show me which charges you're referring to?
The last 4 charges.
We will need to do an investigation on this.
How long will that take?
We'll have to freeze payment on those charges until the investigation is finished.
I really appreciate your help. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.